Hey everybody, Mr. Lasitis here. Just going to go over how to show fractions on a number line as an example before you get started on your own. So this one says you've just eaten 3/8 of one whole licorice stick. Show the length you've eaten on a number line. So it's important to remember when we're splitting up number lines, we have to look at the denominator first. That's going to tell us how many parts, how many pieces we need to split up this number into. Because if we look at our number line, it goes from 0 to 1. And we want to split this up into eighths because my denominator in 3/8 is 8. So that means we need to see 3 out of 8 pieces is what we're looking for. When you're doing a number line, you want to be as neat as possible. You want your spaces to all be pretty close to the same size. And we're going to need 8 of them. So let's get to see if we get to 8. And that's pretty good, right? The spaces are pretty even. This one over here is a little bit smaller, but I think we'll be okay. So I would go ahead and say this is a good model. I can use it. And you'll notice I only put 7 tick marks on here. One, two. Let's click on them here so we can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's because really when we're looking at these number lines, it's these sort of gaps in between that are my pieces, right? So let's change colors here. This section right here in between these tick marks is my 1/8. This is my 1/8 here. And then my next section over, this is my 2/8 section. And it goes all the way down the line. So let's go ahead and we'll box these out here all the way down. Okay, there we go. Got them all filled in. So that's really what we're doing on a number line. We're splitting it up into these sections. And now we can see pretty easily that 3/8 is right here. This is my 3/8 piece, and this is my 3/8 mark, right? I put the mark to the right of that space because if I fill in all of these, I will have filled in 3/8. So that's how my number line should look there. Let me change the color on that dot because it's hard to see. It will be right here. And if I back all this out and I were to do it again, I would do my 8 lines here, or my 8 spots. 4, 5, 6, 7, and my 3/8 on a number line would be the third one here. Because again, this would be my 1/8, 2/8, and then my 3/8. I just wanted to show you the box version there so you can see how it relates to the model. But that's my 3/8 right there. So good luck, get some independent practice in. We'll see you in class.